welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's Emmanuel here. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to design a flyer like this, and this is coming up. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are old here, thank you very much for coming back. Without further ado, let's get started and let's get into the world of Photoshop. So in the world of Photoshop, the first thing we have to do is to select our canvas size. In this case, I have to click on Create New and then choose the size of my canvas. In this case, we are going to use a canvas size of 4 by 4 inches, so we have to change the measurement to inches and then change the width to 4, change the height to 4, and then resolution to 300. Click OK. Now that we have the canvas, the next thing we have to do is to design the background. I downloaded some couple of images from Google. I'll make it available beneath the video, in the description of the video, so that those who don't have any previous knowledge about designing can be able to design a similar or the same like this. I have to select my solid color here and select this color. After I'm done, I have to bring the images I downloaded from Google on my canvas like this. I have to position it very nicely like this, and then change the overlay, and then change the blending mode to overlay like this. Once I'm done, I have to blur it a little bit. If I want to blur it, I have to go to filter and select blur. Under blur, I have to choose Gaussian blur and manipulate it or play around it to select what I like. After I'm done, I have to click on OK. The next thing I have to do is to bring the next image I downloaded from Google, my canvas. I have to position it very nicely like this, and then change the blending mode to overlay and then reduce the opacity level, something like this, and then blur it. I have to go to filter and select blur. Under blur, I have to choose Gaussian blur and blur it a little bit like this. Now that I'm done with my background, I have to go on and type my text and my logo. I have my logo here. I have to bring this logo onto the canvas like this. Reduce the size a little bit. Like this. Now that I'm done, I have to type everything. I have the text over here. Of course, I will include that in the video description so that you can also get access to the text here, because it will be very easy for you to practice whilst you have the text. Now that I'm done, I have to copy everything here onto my canvas. Copy the static church like that, and then paste it. I have to choose a font here. I have to use a font called Nordel Talent. And I'm done. I have to paste everything and then change the color to white or gold. Once I'll change the color, so let's go okay with it and paste it nicely. I will center everything, but not now. Once we are done, we will center everything in order to make all the text alignment one like this. And then I have to copy the next text, present. I want to skip this part so that the video can be fast. Position it very well somewhere around here like that. Now that I am done, I have to go on and create two round rectangles like this. I have to create another one here like this. To select no color and a stroke like this color. Just increase the thickness to 4. And increase the stroke and increase the thickness to 4 like this. drag this a little bit forward. So drag this a little bit forward. And copy my text. I have to duplicate this. Like that, like I said, Ctrl plus J will make a duplicate of the text for you. I have to move it here. And then paste my text. I have to duplicate this and bring it here. I have to replace that with the Christ the King Methodist lens book. I'm done. I have to bring the dates, the symbol for the dates, location, and the time. First I write this and cut this, paste and bring it here like this. Then I have to bring in my last text here, come and be blessed. And that, duplicate this and then change it to, or replace that with come and be blessed. And that's I am done. Sorry, I have to bring that one here and change the font to Montserrat and take this and take that or check that and then change it to regular. It's already there. And then I have to space it out. Okay, I'm ready. Like this. And now that I have done, I have to center everything. Like I said earlier, Ctrl plus A, click on this to center it. Center it. To center it. Center this as well. Amazing. Center it. And great. To center that as well. From that we are done. I have to change the color of this, but I have to use an image I downloaded from Google. This color here. Place it here, and then create a clipping mask for it like this. Change the color, then change this as well. Use the same goldish metal, then create a clipping mask like this. So my place to present. Use that, and then create a clipping mask like this, and then change the color of the tune. Sorry, the color of the power of God to this color. Now that I'm done, I have to bring my lens flare here and change the blending mode to screen. I have to reduce opacity a little bit, something like that. Place it here very nicely, and then blur it. I have to go to blur. Select, sorry, I have to go to filter, select blur, another blur, I have to select gas and blur. I have to blur it so that it can fit the image, something like this. And now we are done.